This journey down the Santa Fe's Valley Division from Stockton to Fresno begins at the Stockton Depot with the arrival and departure of Train 710 behind a pair of former SP FP7s. On another day, Train 710 departs Stockton with an SDP-40F for power. San Joaquin Train 711 crosses the WP and SP main lines at Stockton Tower as it heads for the depot. An SDP-45 and GP9 lead an SP freight past Stockton Tower as they cross the Santa Fe heading for Roseville. Two CF7s and an SSB 1200 sit idle at Santa Fe's Mormon Yard just east of Stockton Tower. Between February of 1970 and March of 1978, the Santa Fe converted 233 F units into the CF7 configuration. The C notation in the locomotive designation stands for converted. ATSF 2492 is one of the early groups of CF7s utilizing the original F7 cab superstructure. The unit is kicking cars around at the east end of Mormon Yard in July of 1978. At the east end of the siding at Riverbank, Train 975 is in the hole to be overtaken by eastbound Train 991. The Kodachrome C30-7 on the point of Train 975 notches out of the siding at Riverbank heading for a pickup at Empire. An eastbound arrives into Empire to switch the east end and make a pickup. After making its pickup at Empire, train 975 crosses the Tuolumne River as it continues its trip east. The C30-7 and SD40-2 notch up and out of town as the rest of their consist rolls out onto the main. Seven Jeeps lean into the curve and roll over the Tuolumne River and past Empire on the point of a westbound. Amtrak 708 crosses the Merced River west of Cressy, continuing toward Bakersfield. The Royal Hudson crosses the Merced River on the Santa Fe, continuing its journey east as part of its 1977 tour. San Joaquin Train 709 speeds west through the curve at Planada prior to the Royal Hudson making its appearance. A trio of Jeeps are on the point of an eastbound as it speeds through La Grande. A westbound rolls across the San Joaquin River Bridge as it heads out of Fresno, speeding toward Madera. The Royal Hudson takes the siding at Fig Garden as it rolls into Fresno. An eastbound led by an SD45U rolls along Diana Street coming into Fresno. Another eastbound led by a GP35U makes its way into Fresno as it rolls along Q Street. Santa Fe's Fresno Depot at Q and Tulare Street was constructed in 1906 and served as division headquarters for the Valley Division. San Joaquin Train 711 arrives and departs the depot. San Joaquin Train 708 arrives and departs Fresno, continuing its trip toward Bakersfield. 3 Jeeps are on the point of an eastbound as they roll past the depot in Fresno. Switching activity at Santa Fe's Calwa Yard concludes this look at the Valley Division from Stockton to Fresno.